In this midweek analysis, we'll be looking at the Great British Pounds USD, the Euro, and the gold. So let's start with the Great British Pounds USD. Great British Pounds USD, from my daily chart, you can see that price rejected from this weekly support level on the daily chart. So long price rejected from this weekly support on the daily chart, this shows that we'll be expecting the Great British Pounds USD to move to this next weekly resistance level on the daily chart. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Great British Pounds USD. Before we go to the weekly chart of the Great British Pounds USD, we can see that we have a price run set up here already, telling us that the Great British Pounds USD will be moving to this to the next weekly resistance level. So we expect price to move to this resistance level this week. So we'll be expecting price to move to this resistance level within this week or next week. From what price that does this now, we have a price run set up here on the daily chart. This price run setup is indicating its price now for price to do a bullish uptrend movement within tomorrow and next tomorrow for the Great British Pounds USD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Great British Pounds USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that the Great British Pounds USD closed on the support level. So long price closed on the support level, we'll be expecting price to move to this our next resistance level on the weekly chart. And if you look at our weekly chart, see that the weekly chart trend of the market is currently in uptrend. We have a lower low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, we also have a higher low here, we have another level of higher low here. So long we have this level of higher low, we are expecting the Great British Pounds USD to continue its uptrend movement, to resume its uptrend movements this week and next week. So we'll be expecting a strong bullish move for the Great British Pounds USD to the top side. So you can take your trade on the daily chart now with your stop loss below this level, then with your target at this area. If price break above this level on the daily chart, we'll look out for more buying opportunity for the Great British Pounds USD. So the next pair we're looking at next now, we'll be looking at the Euro USD. Euro USD, from my previous analysis, I said Euro USD is currently in what? Downtrend. You can see that price has been in a downtrend. So, and price now is also on a weekly support level. So for now, so long price is currently on this weekly support level, we'll be looking for a possible buying opportunity. So for now, we have no ideas or signals, price on setup for us to buy now. So we'll stay out of the Euro USD for now. But let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. On my weekly chart, you can see that we have a support level here on the weekly chart. So long this level is a support level on the weekly chart, shows that the Euro USD is possible to move to the upside next week. If price fail to break this support level this week, so next week we'll be looking for a buying opportunity for the Euro USD. So long if price fail to break this weekly support level, so our next move, if price fail next week, we'll be looking for a buying opportunity for Euro to this level. So until price break this level, for look for further downtrend for the Euro. So long price remains inside this weekly zone, we'll be waiting for price to break it or to fail to break it for it to resume the uptrend. Because you can see from my weekly chart, we also have a uptrend structure on the Euro USD. The Euro USD is currently doing a higher low, higher low. You can see we have a series of higher low, higher low, higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, this shows that the Euro USD will also move up this coming week. But we need price to fail this level, this support level, before we look at a buying opportunity, because we still have a resistance inside that particular area also. So if price fail to break this level, we're looking for a buying opportunity for the Euro USD. So let's go back to our daily chart and wait patiently for the price run setup this week or next week for us to buy the Euro USD. So the next pair and the last pair we have to look at for now is the gold USD. Gold USD, if you watch my previous weekly analysis, I said gold USD is currently in uptrend because we are seeing uptrend. You can see that we have a series of higher low on the gold USD. So long we have this series of higher low on the gold USD, it shows that the gold USD is what? Uptrend. Then on my previous weekly analysis, I marked this support level, that price will get to this support level for look out for buying opportunity. Consider now price has started going up, but price didn't reach our support level we said we expect price to reach. But this level are all support level, so we expect price to continue to resume its uptrend movement for gold USD from this level. So let's look at the weekly chart of the gold USD. On my weekly chart, if you watch my previous weekly analysis, I said gold USD is pushing higher, because on the weekly chart we see have a series of higher low on the gold USD. So long we have this series of higher low on the gold USD, we expect a push for gold USD to move to the upside with our target at 2,700. So we expect gold to move to 2,700 this week. So look out for buying opportunity on gold for with target of 2,700. So let's go back to our daily charts. So if you look out for buying opportunity or gold, because these areas are daily resistance now, I'm not advising you to buy now. Wait for price to break and retest, then look out for buying opportunity for what? For the gold USD. So if you find this midweek analysis helpful, you can like this video, subscribe, and if you have any question on this analysis, you can leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.